Hey there, let's continue CTVT entrance preparation model questions. यो क्वेशनहरु चाहिँ मलाई निम्स इन्स्टिट्युटले प्रोवाइड गर्नुभएको हो. So let's see कुन कुन क्वेशनहरु चाहिँ आएको रहेछ है त. Number 1. It hasn't rained 2 months for since from with. So the correct answer is since 2 months. किन त for preposition चाहिँ used हुन्छ for how long भन्यो भने since preposition चाहिँ used हुन्छ to describe period of time. So it hasn't rained since 2 months. Question number 2. I don't like going out at night. In, at, on, for. So the correct answer is at. किन त at preposition चाहिँ used हुन्छ to denote noon, night or festivals. त्यही भएर I don't like going out at night. Question number 3. One of the students stood first in class 10. Has to, have, should. So the correct answer is has. One of the students has stood first in class 10. Question number 4. I'm tired living in a big city. Of, with, of, by. So the correct answer is OF of. OF of preposition चाहिँ used हुन्छ to denote cause. जस्तै कि tired of, ashamed of. त्यही भएर I'm tired OF of living in a big city. Question number 5. The house by them was built, were built, is building. So the correct answer is was built. The house was built by them. Question number 6. We hadn't arranged to meet. We made chance. On, in, by, with. So the correct answer is by. We hadn't arranged to meet. We made by chance. Had you taught them well, they the exam with excellent marks. Would pass, would have passed, would have been passed, would be passed. So the correct answer is would have passed. किन त conditional sentence मा यदि अगाडि if plus had plus verb 3 छ भने पछाडि के युज हुन्छ त would, should, could, might plus have plus verb 3. त्यही भएर had you taught them well, they would have passed the exam with excellent marks. Question number 8. I'm sure Binita passed the test. Will, would, may, might. So the correct answer is would. I'm sure Binita would pass the test. Question number 9. The boy when called did not reply, does not reply, had not replied, has not replied. So the correct answer is did not reply. The boy did not reply when called. Question number 10. Listen, someone at the door. Knocks, is knocking, will knock, knocked. So the correct answer is knocking. Listen, someone is knocking at the door. Question number 11. Our new office building now is building, was building, has built, is being built. So the correct answer is being built. Our new office building is being built now. Question number 12. What do you want? He said to her. He asked her what had wanted. He asked her what she wanted. He told what she has wanted. He said her what she wanted. So correct answer भनेको के हो त? He asked her what she wanted. रिपोर्टिङ स्पिचमा चाहिँ अब हामीहरूले WH क्वेसन छ भने रिपोर्टिङ भर्ब चाहिँ आस्क्ड युज गर्नुपर्छ र जोइनिङ लिङ्क चाहिँ के युज गर्नुपर्छ त वाट WH वर्ड्स युज गर्नुपर्छ. त्यही भएर के भयो त हि आस्क्ड हर वाट सी वान्टेड. क्वेसन नम्बर 13. Rama said to Arjun go away. Rama said Arjun to go to away. Rama asked Arjun to go away. Rama requested to go away. Rama ordered Arjun to go away. So the correct answer is Rama asked Arjun to go away. Question number 14. When I reached the stadium, the match has already started, had already started, have already started. So the correct answer is had already started. When I reached the stadium, the match had already started. किन त किनकि past perfect tense चाहिँ used हुन्छ जब कुनै पनि action चाहिँ completed हुन्छ before another. Question number 15. He says he unwell. Should, will, is, have. So the correct answer is. He says he is unwell. Is चाहिँ present tense मा used हुन्छ. So he says he is unwell. Question number 16. Our teacher told us quiet in the class. Keep, to keep, keeping, to keeping. So the correct answer is to keep. Our teacher told us to keep quiet in the class. Question number 17. The principal asked me what do I want, what would I want, what I wanted, what I will want. So the correct answer is what I wanted. The principal asked me what I wanted. Question number 18. She will succeed in the exam wouldn't she, will not she, won't she, would be. So the correct answer is won't she. Positive सेन्टेन्सको चाहिँ ट्याग क्वेसन के हुन्छ त नेगेटिभ हुन्छ त्यही भएर won't see. Question number 19. He said, Alas, I'm undone. He exclaimed that he was undone. He told he was undone. He said that he's undone. He tells that he's undone. So the correct answer is he exclaimed that he was undone. किन त रिपोर्टेड स्पिचमा रिपोर्टिङ भर्ब चाहिँ एक्सक्लामेसन छ भने आस्क्ड अथवा एक्सक्लेम्ड युज हुन्छ र जोइनिङ वर्ड चाहिँ के युज हुन्छ त द्याट अथवा डब्लुएच त्यही भएर ही एक्सक्लेम्ड द्याट ही वाज अनडन. क्वेसन नम्बर 20. दिस इज द बोय डट आई लाइक वेयर हुम हुज वाट. सो द करेक्ट एन्सर इज हुम. हुम कनेक्टिभ चाहिँ युज हुन्छ टु डिस्क्राइब पर्सन त्यही भएर दिस इज द बोय हुम आई लाइक. That's it for today's session. Our next 20 sets of questions अर्को भिडियोमा आउँछ. So stay tuned till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.